Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey y'all, I don't know if it's been a 2-hour limit, but I finally got on. Let me get out the sun. Okay, I don't know if it's been a 2-hour limit, but I finally got on my first fish. So I got to post a short with this. How long my phone been on? Hey guys, kind of windy out here this morning, but it don't stop the fish from biting. Been out here fishing that shallow farm for about 2 hours, and I finally got my first one, y'all. Got him on a crankbait. I'm gonna put this guy on the board. Cause I don't think Patrick got nothing on the board, so I'm gonna put this little fella on the board. What's up? 2 hours, only got one. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. 2 hours, man.